In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Q&A feature in Google Slides, a handy tool for engaging your audience during presentations. Let's dive right in and make your next presentation more interactive and informative. First, head over to Google Slides by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. This will give you access to all your saved presentations and the full suite of Google Slides features. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where you can either open an existing presentation or start fresh. If you're creating a new presentation, you have a couple of options. Click on Blank Presentation to start from scratch, or select one of the available templates to give your slides a professional look right out of the gate. Choose whichever option suits your needs. Once your presentation is opened, it's time to put it into slideshow mode to enable the Q&A feature. Look for the slideshow button, usually at the top right of the screen, and click on it. Entering slideshow mode is important as it transitions your slides for the audience's view. To access the Q&A feature, switch to presenter view. This might sound technical, but it's quite simple. Once in slideshow mode, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on presenter view. Here, you'll be able to see your slides as they are presented, along with speaker notes and audience tools. Now, let's focus on the Q&A feature itself. Within presenter view, look for audience tools and click on it. This is your gateway to engaging with your audience in real time. With the audience tools window opened, turn on the Q&A feature. This provides your audience with a link they can use to submit questions during your presentation. Share this link via an on-screen message or direct communication so your audience knows how to participate. The beauty of this feature is that your audience can submit questions at any point during your presentation, and you can view them as they come in. You can address these questions at the end of your talk or throughout your presentation, depending on your style and preference. This ensures your session is not just a one-way dialogue, but an interactive exchange, making your presentation more engaging and informative. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and utilized the Q&A feature in Google Slides. This will help make your presentations more interactive and enjoyable for everyone involved. Happy presenting!